Let's stir up this Kalay Chanay ki chaat, which is essentially a black chickpea salad, which is delicious in the month of Ramadan or in summer as well. What you need for this is 5 cups of black chickpeas soaked overnight, 2 diced tomatoes, 2 diced potatoes, 2 diced onions, 2 diced jalapeno pepper, 4 diced green chilies, half cup chopped coriander, half cup chopped mint, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoon chaat masala, and optional 2 teaspoon tamarind chutney, which is imli. So as I mentioned, I soaked these chane overnight, and in the morning all I did was boil them in some water and salt for about 20 minutes. When I felt they were cooked to the touch, I kept them aside, drained them, and here they are. Now I'm going to add the remaining ingredients. First, I'm going to start with my diced onions. You want to make sure you dice the onions really finely because you want to make sure they're in each and every bite, but also not cut too big or it might be a bit of a bitter taste. Then you're going to add your tomatoes. I'm just using Roma tomatoes here. You can pretty much use any tomatoes to your preference. Here I pre-boiled potatoes and then I just diced them, and I've added them to my chaat as well. And here are the remaining ingredients, so coriander, mint, jalapeno, and green chilies. If you don't want too much spice, you can eliminate the jalapenos. Here I'm adding my salt, red chili powder, and chaat masala. Again, chaat masala can be found in any Indian or Pakistani grocery store, and you just give this a really good stir. You want to mix really well so each and every ingredient is coating each and every of the chickpeas. And then I've optionally added 2 teaspoons of the tamarind chutney, which just gives it a bit of a sour taste. I really enjoy that, but again, if you don't want to have it sour, you can certainly eliminate that if you prefer. Stir really well. Keep this aside for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then you can serve it at room temperature. That's it. It just tastes so good. Here are the ingredients for you once again. Definitely give this one a try. You won't regret it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Comment below if you have any questions for me at all. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more great and easy to follow recipes. Until next time, keep stirring it up.